Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this afternoon? Or this evening, I should say. Well, tonight at the Boudreaux house, we doing some fried shrimp and Crawfish Etouffee. And Miss Missy is gonna do the preparations over here. We got our shrimp. And that's already in the egg and milk wash. Now she's putting that in the dredge in the flour, seasoned flour that we do, with our K-bone seasoning. And I hope she didn't throw it all away. Man, okay. Yep, I think she threw the can away. I was going to show you all that. KBON 101.1.com. She threw it away. Okay, well, I'm not going in the trash can to find the empty can. Y'all go to KBON 101.1FM.com and get y'all some of that good seasonings. Oh, yeah. It's better than slap your mama. Way better. It's not hot. Put it that way. You don't have to slap your mama. And it's for all kids and stuff like that, you know. It's not an overpowering seasoning. Like slap your mama. Man, I tried some of that one time. It's good, don't get me wrong. But you don't want that for your kids. Alright, she's doing the drench and dredge right here. And we fixing to throw them in the hot grease. And the grease is ready. And I'm gonna move y'all over here to the Crawfish Etouffee we got. This is on the low, simmering. Oh yeah, Cajun style, Mrs. style, Crawfish Etouffee. Oh yeah, you can see that little steam coming out of there, that smoky. Oh yeah. Ain't no Cheech and Chong over here, but it's smoky going on. That's for sure. Alright. So, let's get with Miss Missy right here. We're throwing that in my fried daddy, my fried granddaddy. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Oh yeah. Bien bon. We don't want to overload that grease. Yeah, put about 2 more in there, Miss Missy, I think. That'll work. Hey, all y'all Cajuns out there. All y'all coonies. Coonasses. Alright, I'm going to do like Jamie Bazeron says. Y'all remember these Hitachi rice cookers? Oh yeah, from years ago? I don't even make them no more. Oh yeah, I did something with that grease. Some of that water fell out the lid. Them Hitachi rice cookers make the best rice. And my Hatman water made rice. Oh yeah. So, we got that going on right here. And it ain't gonna be long. It ain't gonna be long at all. Maybe another minute and a half. Something like that. Them shrimp will be done. Alright, we're gonna bring y'all over here to the counter, and we got some salad, got some fresh lettuce, fresh tomatoes, deluxe French. Oh yeah, in the morning when we wake up, community coffee grinds, and then community creamer. Oh yeah, good strong coffee. Get your butt up in the mornings, for sure. Let's see. Alright, yeah, them shrimp are done. Alright. Let's throw them over here, Miss Missy.
Paper towels. Put these.
Yeah, well, we like to use
No,
towels. We like to use towels instead of paper towels.
I like paper towels.
And I moved that, and the camera got out of focus. Oh, there it goes. Again. Right. Get that last one out of there, Miss Missy. I saw it floating in there. It was floating. Yep. It don't take long for shrimp to fry them and fried crawfish. And we got some dinner rolls in the oven. Some of them crescent rolls. She's checking it, and the heat's getting me. So, all right, we're gonna check on the crevettes. This is from the crawfish boil that we did Friday evening. So, here, boy. And we peeled them, broke the tails on the leftovers, peeled them, and we're gonna eat good tonight for sure. Alright, I think Miss Missy's putting some more shrimp in the hot grease. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Alright. Well, I think that's gonna be about it for this little video over here. Say bye, Miss Missy.
Bye.
Well, how about y'all? What? Plutai? Say Plutai.
Plutai.
Alright, how about y'all? Plutai.